Hey everyone, did you know we can view market activity before it opens and after it closes? In this guide, we'll show you how to turn on extended hours so we can see pre-market and after-hours trading data. This feature helps us track additional price movements and stay prepared for potential market changes. Extended hours in Tradingview allow us to view, analyze, and trade stocks outside regular market hours, covering both pre-market and after-market periods. It shows price action during times of lower liquidity and higher volatility. The purpose of extended hours in Tradingview is to let us view and analyze price movements outside regular market hours, including pre-market and after-hour sessions. This helps us spot early trends, react to news or earnings releases, and better understand price gaps and volatility before the next regular trading session begins. Now let's see how to turn on extended hours on Tradingview. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Once we're on the page, log into your account. After logging in, go to Charts. Locate Charts at the top of the page. You'll see Products. In the lower part of the Products section, you will find Super Charts. Here, we select Super Charts. Now this is the Super Charts page. We can see market activities, corporate profit and losses of stocks, indexes, futures, and stocks, as well as return on investments. To turn on extended hours, right-click on the chart. Under Settings, go to Symbols. Here, under Session, you can choose to show either regular trading or extended hours. Simply right-click or click this option, then click OK. As you can see, there are now light blue and light yellow bars on your chart. These represent the pre-market and aftermarket sessions. There's also another way to view or toggle the extended hours. You can find it at the bottom of the chart. Here, you'll see the time. Beside the time, there's ETH, extended trading hours, or ART, regular trading hours. Just click Extended Trading Hours, and the pre-market and aftermarket sessions will appear on the side. That's how we turn on and off the extended hours on Tradingview. With this enabled, we can view pre-market and after-hours price movements and get a clearer picture of market activity. Use this feature to plan ahead, understand volatility, and avoid surprises when the market opens. Trade smart and stay prepared.